Let's take a look at the Bitcoin mining, cloud mining. On this page, you will see that there will be questions to be answered. So what is Bitcoin cloud mining? Cloud mining or cloud hashing embeds users to purchase mining capacity of hardware and data centers. Two operators, Hashflare and Genesis Mining, have been offering contracts for several years. Bitcoin cloud mining enables people to earn Bitcoin without Bitcoin mining hardware, Bitcoin mining software, electricity, bandwidth, or other offline issues. So what are Bitcoin cloud mining advantages? So when you buy a Bitcoin cloud mining, there will be no heat dealing, quiet because of no constantly humming fans, no electricity cost, no Bitcoin mining equipment to sell when Bitcoin mining is no longer profitable, no ventilation problems with hot equipment, and no pre-order Bitcoin mining hardware that may not be delivered on time by Bitcoin mining equipment suppliers. So as you guys know, you guys can see that this is a glossary. This can help you if you don't know what a Hashflare review or Genesis mining. A Hashflare offers SHA 256 mining contracts and more Protocol can be mined while automatic payouts are still in Bitcoin. You can also scroll down to change languages such as French, German, and Greek. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find it, go to the WizCoins website. The WizCoins website, you can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Bitcoin cloud mining.